What is up, YouTube? I'm back with another video. Today we're gonna be reacting to, holy shit, quality looks bad. I'm gonna put this on 80. I hope it's not lagging. I hope it doesn't lag. But yeah, today we're gonna be reacting to something different. Space Impact Underground Cypher 2025 South African edition. I'm about to hear a lot of underground rappers spitting right now. There's a Botswana one too, but we're gonna react to South African to represent South Africa. So let's see what these guys are up to. And by the way, I will be posting more. Until the 25th. This is day 17 of posting every day until Christmas. Let's get it. Space Impact Underground Cypher 2025. Let's get it. This is a reaction.
What's good, Space Academy? We back with another one. The 2025 Cypher. You feel me? Got all the rappers behind me. They about to go crazy.
La Tweezies. Let's check the drip post. Let's check the drip. Who got the drippiest? Who's the drippiest here? Probably this guy. I'd say it's this guy. Who's probably the drippiest. But yeah, let's check this out.
Make sure you like. Make sure you sub. Tap in. 2025 Space Impact Cypher. South Africa. Yeah.
I am sorry, but emphasis is currently required at the moment.
Okay, at least the beats are cool enough.
Are you now listening to
Gang come bustin' out the window. Whole lot of pants on, bustin' out the bando. Cop for the two doing kendo. They set the con, fucking let me change it to a Lambo. Can niggas worldwide pants out the Venmo. They can't like the Paris on, I'm talking about a Rambo. Man, I'm killing music like I'm Van Gogh. Party anybody, but put him on a dead note. Popping all the beats on, I'm talking about a cento. Talking on the net, don't forget you better send low. Franco, tryna get reaction like I'm Franco. Cover with your rappers and I'm asking what you cat for. Wonder Woman got her on the phone, need a lasso. I finish up the ladder, got me switch to a casto. Talking about the best while I'm alive, you a schizo. Put up on the neck of wife niggas like a pistol.
Are you high again?
The beat switch is crazy though. Not gonna lie, the beat switch is actually crazy. Yo, what?
You are now listening to
Been 5 years, I got plays on a chessboard. Hop my class and I touch my test score. Rolling stone like my dad taught me to flex. Bitch, I write too much tone on my tongue to a centaur. I'm training my body, my brain to the rest. Bitch, I can't go to sleep, I got hits on your rush. Man, I take too much shits on you boys, need a flush more. Bitch, had a taste on my dick.
Bro, what the hell? Look at this guy oral farming. Yo, what?
I can't go to sleep, I got hits on your rush. Man, I take too much.
Niggas oral farming hard right now. Look at this nigga. He's not even looking at the camera. Fuck the camera, bro. He better go hard then. He better go hard if he's oral farming that hard, bro. He better go hard.
Hits on you boys, need a flush more. Bitch had a taste on my dick, tryna slut more. Free state boy, when I dodging no guns. And I microphone diamonds, my diamonds go breaststroke. Got Hall of Fame talent, my name like a telephone. You say my name 3 times, Candyman cutthroat. Been out the whip, pull a slide when the boat.
Holy aura farm, bro. Bro is just standing there. He just exists. That's the guy. He just exists, bro. You don't give a fuck about the beat or nothing, bro. He's just there. He better go hard though. He better go hard.
Bitch, I watch to the back while you sprint you a slow pole. It's the opposite day cause the drink got me self and I'm confident scramble your lips like an egg yolk.
Bro, that's a third beat. Come on, bro. We need more rappers. Come on. Let the other people rap, bro.
I love you, Six. You are now listening to
I could go all day, I switch my flow, then go around, switch my hoe. Face down, crossing out, I was playing tic-tac-toe. You dead, so I put a tag-toe. Can't send me that low. On the side, I was come to your dough. On the Wolf Wall Street, get dope. My gang like the Navy, I'm sailing the 7 seas. Had a sweat, fuck it, I'm driving a boat. And my gang like the Titans, no seas, I'm riding that boy. Drone strike, yelling, I'll go. I don't cut, drink, walk, pack, had to sit down, glide like a chimney, I'm passing out smoke. And I'm more than juice to my big hair, juco. I feel like it's hot, you can step out the club. Yeah, I still dust, smoke dope. Not talking about bands, little boys been spoke. If we talking about bands, little boys get broke. Can't talk, the stick loud, FIFA 4, real sober. Track out, come Pablo. New grass, so taking that guap to the stove. Big guy.
Holy aura farm.
Pretty boys line up like coke. Just get the rest, can't trip out a hole. Just get the rest, can't trip out a hole. Just get the rest, can't trip out a hole.
Best music.
Alright, Itachi. Okay, Itachi. Alright, Itachi, bro. Let this guy go. Let this guy go. I want to hear him. He's been oral farming this whole video. Bro is just there with his truth.
I got all that bullshit on my chest. For that crazy bitch living on me.
Bro got an auto tune in a cipher. Yo, bro.
I don't want that shit. You keep it. I don't know it. I need it. So I fuck with it. Keep that shit. Bitch living on me. Fuck us crazy. Pull it up. I get geeked up. Double digit for me and my twin. What you saying? I just hope that you stick to the plan. Show fuck out in Paris and France. I got all that bullshit on my chest. I got all that bullshit on my chest. I got it shot.
No, I like the beat is carrying him right now because I can't even hear one word he's saying. The beat is carrying him.
I don't need no casino. Wanna hear nothing if it's not about bands. Wanna hear nothing if it's not about bands. Wanna hear nothing if it's not about bands. Listen to my big bro, still like that jam. Just play on my song, she call it a jump. I got all that bullshit on my chest. Boy, that's crazy. Bitch living on me. Put my cup at bitch. I need lean. I don't want that shit.
What are you saying?
But I need it. So I fuck with it. Keep that shit. Bitch living on me.
Type in the chat right now one line he said because I don't even hear him. I didn't hear one word, one line in the chat.
Fuck us, curse me. Pull it up, I get geeked up. Double digit for me and my twin. What you saying? I just hope that you stick to the plan. Show fuck out in Paris and France. I got all that bullshit on my chest. I got all that bullshit on my chest.
What did he say? I got all of this.
You're listening to a ghetto god.
Right now, Itachi has the best cipher out of all of them. Itachi. I don't know what this guy was saying. Okay.
Hi there, how you doing today? White dust and it's fucking my face off.
Okay.
Can't see, I got lost in the red.
Okay.
I got Henny on my body, no chase up.
Let's
I
go.
just got brown like what can I say? I'ma go all the way, I'ma go all the way. You ain't got grab, better get out the way. Your girl steady doing whatever I say. Part 2 of the show, part 2. Make them jump like they hanging on the hoop, boy. Talk a lot about who I am. You get bopped in your mouth, you're a rude boy. Big her head, she the top of her class. And I love hella fake, it's gon' break like some glass. When I pour from the back, I'm a nut on her ass. And she looking at me like us. Alright, hold on. Let me log in real quick.
Okay.
I do my dance on her, bitch, I'ma dance on her. I respect women, I'd never put hands on her. She disrespect me, I might just throw bands on her. Tired of her asking if I can handle her. Try for the verse of the thou out. Try for the verse of the thou out. I'ma just take her to pound down.
This beat is tough, bro. This beat is tough. This beat is tough. Nah, I have to restart this cipher, bro. Come on. He might have the best one. Itachi probably got.
Her head, she the top of her class, and I love hella fake. It's gon' break like some glass. When I pour from the back, I'm a nut on her ass, and she looking at me like us. Alright, hold on. Let me log in real quick. I do my dance on her, bitch, I'ma dance on her. I respect women, I'd never put hands on her. She disrespect me, I might just throw bands on her. Tired of her asking if I can handle her. Try for the verse of the thou out. Try for the verse of the thou out. I'ma just take her to pound down. I'ma just take her to pound down. Hold on, little baby, just slow down. Just know this shit about to go down. I live my life, and it's a bit of a sight. I'm steady tripping the night. They know I can't for shit, but why his feelings are right. They know I ain't tryna fight, just tryna have a good time. And this bitch steady hitting my soul, man. I got my niggas today and forever. Just know for the gang, I'm a dog, man. Smoking on gas at that program. Hi there, how you doing today?
Okay.
White dust and it's fucking my face off.
Let's go.
Can't see, I got lost in the red. I got Henny on my body, no chase up. I just got brown like what can I?
Yo, bro, I'm so glad I'm not this height, bro. I'm so glad I'm not this height, bro. Whoa, bruh. These are probably like normal height people, right? Normal height people, and this guy, yo, bruh. The only way you can save yourself is getting money, bro. That's the only way.
I'ma go all the way, I'ma go all the way.
Because he looks like a kid.
Better get out the way. Your girl steady doing whatever I say. Are you feeling it, man? And this shit turn, man. But I know.
Tough, 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 tough.
I actually think the future, bro. Like, I'm not even fucking around, bro.
Life is changed. Bought my eyes off, you got on my pain. I swear these just take the pain away. These just make me feel okay. Make cutting up on my face. That is where I'm okay. Like it's as if I'm my place. Made a band today. Yeah, my bitch, she masturbate. TNC go pull up, taking shots at fucking Alice Lane. Pull up on the net, DOQ, inventory food.
Come on. I haven't heard one word yet.
Baby, I feel strange, don't feel same no more. These just feel the pain, don't feel same no more. Yeah, baby, what you mean? I'm the same, yeah. I just believe I feel same, oh, she just wanna leave me, baby, same, life is changed. All my eyes off, you got on my pain. I swear these just take the pain away.
Chat, you know what I'm looking at right now? This nigga's hair, bro. What the hell? All of these niggas are order farming. But his legs are probably hurting right now. That's why he's walking. But he's the guy with the most aura out of them, all of them, bro. Come on. He's not even in frame. Okay. Come on. You gotta go crazy.
Pockets fat, my pockets fat. I'm back to the trap, my wallet fat. I signed at the block, got ties on it. My brand new product, it's not out yet. I love for my fam, I die by that. I care for that, my soul in that. I drink up the cup, I don't sip high tech. My bro got a beamer, put mines on that. The rims all black, the seats all black. That's supposed to the Lord I've been sending. Figuring me, I just wanna win. Haven't to the earth for a minute. 100 bands coming in. 100 bands coming in. Got my head up on the rim. I feel like LeBron, head up on the rim.
He's feeling it, bro. He's feeling it. He's not order farming anymore, bro. He's dancing now.
Got my head up on the rim. I feel like LeBron, head up on the rim. I was getting pimp, Rockies in my pants, working with a limp. House at the crib, took them off for shrimp. Pass going up, higher than a blimp. Bank account glitch. Pockets fat, my pockets fat. I'm back to the trap, my wallet fat. I signed at the block, got ties on it. My brand new product, it's not out yet. I love for my fam, I die by that. I care for that, my soul in that. I drink up the cup, I don't sip high tech. My bro got a beamer, put mines on that. The rims all black, the seats all black.
I feel like Sonabile. I know he's not part of the cipher or anything, part of the video, but he's the only guy who uses normal like beats, not these underground beats, these new beats that are made. He's like the only guy who uses like the normal beats, I would say, normal beats to rap on. And he's like also like a upcoming artist too. Part-time rapper, full-time streamer, full-time content creator. Oh shit.
You are now tuning into Sonics FM, the home of real music.
Yeah man, no clap business, if you're spilling blood about this shit. Yeah man.
Block out.
If you're spilling blood about this shit.
Sorry bro, I had to breathe for a sec. Shut up. Don't speak on the set. Always had a vision, never seen what I meant. My niggas try to push me to the side when they never leave the city, gotta teach them respect. Block.
You know what? I lied. He doesn't have the best trip out of here.
I'ma bleed by the set. Bloodshot, I seen hella red.
I'll give it to this guy. This guy. Here's the
Why would you test though? I got the best flow. Back up, don't step close. Bet you won't get close. I got a net worth, nigga, your net slow. Boy, if you step first, nigga, you best know. Let's go. Turns to a drill, not a test though. Let's go. Popping off for real, you can step close. Retro. $1,000 G's, where you get those? Where'd you get those? Why they tryna bother me and get niggas pest hoes? I was in the back of people, they tryna press, bro. Shit, they got me habit shy, can't make your death slow. I'm straight out of death note. Hold up, shit, cause I be party rocking, I'm a mess hoe. Want the fade and watch the bodies dropping if you step close. Shout out to my brothers, cause we locked the nigga tenfold.
DB on the track.
That beat on your bitch ass.
Okay, guys. My bad. I apologize for this. Stop. I'm gonna edit this out. Cancel scan. Come on. Okay, we're almost done.
Boy, and I fast, start claiming. These little niggas biting the swag, and I know it. I flew out the drawers, niggas spit like a poet. My P niggas hating, I'm already knowing. Boy, and I fast, start claiming. He talk about rats, I don't see niggas show it. I'm turning the red off the E and I'm rolling. So conquer the push from the east for the motion. Yeah, I heard that little nigga looking for static. Boy, don't get hurt, you are not in my bracket. My shit going up cause you talk about action. Get out of that stew, boy, it's time to get active. Me and my gang on motion. Most of y'all boys on whole shit. My OGs told me to stay focused. Now I'm in my bed like I'm posted. Boy, not fast, start claiming. Won't give you a verse cause you lame niggas whack. The party I cheap, whole geek to the max. Double Cardi 18, got me smashed. This pack cost a lot, still on the block. That little nigga mad cause I am what you not. I'm still speaking out, give him a slime in the spot. This big head of God to my side like ox.
Everybody got that ass thing. Oh, boarding the Tigers. There's a girl. I didn't even see the girl.
My niggas double tapping cause they tapped in. Ain't no acting, bitch, my dogs gon' make it happen. Told them drop a bag, package, do a backspin. We don't do no pistol, bitch, we just do cash in. Snake froze, everywhere come with a axe.
We saw you, nigga. I saw you caught lacking, bro. Caught you lacking, bro. Look at this chat.
So bitch, we just do cash in. Snake froze.
Look at him. Where is he looking at, bro? Come on.
Everyone come with an accent. Big body pants, like switch automatic. If he talking slick, we know he made of plastic. I been outside, I know you niggas practice. Heard they pillow talking, this a hazard. Whole lot of racks, I ain't talking fashion. Still got motion when the track goes stagnant. I'm the one they calling, I know these hoes fragments. All my niggas double tapping cause they tapped in. Heard they talking on the net, but they just acting. Put a bag up on his head, that's a backspin. Money count 100 like a fucking max swing. Bitch big, and she only move for fractions. We ain't faking love, we don't do attachments. We too clean, I might just slap, bitch, ain't no traction. Trap it like a dream, we flipping for the passion. All my niggas double tapping cause they tapped in. Ain't no acting, bitch, my dog gon' make it happen. Told him drop a bag, package, do a backspin. We don't do no pistol, bitch, we don't do catchings. Neck froze, everywhere come with an accent. Big body pants, like switch automatic. If we talking slick, we know he made of plastic. I been outside, I know you niggas practice.
Yeah, I think she got the. Yeah, no, she got the second worst one. So far. But I don't feel it. I don't feel it. Ooh, the order farmer. The order farmer. Come on. This nigga kind of look like, kind of dressed like Playboy Gotti, but looks like Travis Scott. Not gonna lie. All black.
I live my life for the trap.
All of that order farming for this, bro. Come on.
I live my life for the trap. I live my life for the trap. You live life for hope. I got my slimes in the back. You switched up for the dope. You switched up for a hoe. We both got caught with a poke. You used to call me a bro. Now I don't pick up the phone. These niggas who pussy, they act like a peon. Fuck that 6 on the O. Fuck that 6 on the O. Fuck that 6 on the O.
Nah, he disappointed me. He actually disappointed me, bro.
Fuck that 6 on the O. I still show love to my city. I keep fucking on my fans, they hella pretty. I'ma lose my feelings, so I gotta hit the gritty.
Nah. He got best one. He got the best one, and then Orochimaru got the second best one. And I'll give third place to this dude, 4th, 5th, and then yeah.
My line told me you tryna be me. No fucks, I'm swagaholics. No guest list, you contract a party. No God never made me, I made the money. I got them scared, I'm Illuminati. I got a trap house jump, I don't give a fuck. You a fake preacher, boy, shut your ass up. How I don't got clout, but I'm still too up. Stop trying to ask street, boy, you're not too pub. I'm cool off the weed, I ain't take no puff. Your ass stay trippin' and you ain't take none. I left my life for the trap. You greedy for shit, I been on you a rat. You sip on the walk, but don't know how to act. So my bitch, I gotta cheat, I'ma be right back. Over these shit, I sip on the black. Slime shit, I don't gotta watch my back. Everything I say just meant for the trap. If you hate on me, put that shit in the track. I got a hoe in Botswana, that's facts. Can't do my knees bad, I got digital cash. She tryna get in the picture, but I told her that she no money.
Okay, that's about it. That's it. I can't listen to this nigga anymore, bro. Come on. Alright, bro. Let me end the video right there. For this cipher, nah. It wasn't it for me. There were some few guys who did good, but for the cipher, for the whole cipher, nah. But yeah, tell me what you think about this cipher. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below what video should I react to next. See you guys next time. Peace.